Gov threatens WhatsApp group admins over corruption posts. The 21st of August 2025. By Hopewell Chinona, the Zimbabwean government has warned that WhatsApp group administrators risk arrest if members of their groups post allegations of corruption against state ministers. Justice Minister ZVAITWA announced that the newly enacted Cyber and Data Protection Act will be invoked to enforce the measure, sparking fears of a fresh clampdown on digital freedoms. ZVAITWA stressed that administrators will be held accountable for content shared within their groups, a move critics say is designed to intimidate citizens and silence growing dissent. With radio and television stations under direct or indirect ZANU-PF control, social media remains one of the few platforms where corruption is openly exposed. Social media has become the last space where citizens can highlight massive looting of public resources under the mnangagwa government, said one critic. This new directive shows desperation by a regime terrified of the truth. Journalists have already faced arrests for exposing corruption scandals, leading to widespread self-censorship. Observers warn that targeting WhatsApp group administrators marks an escalation in the state's efforts to close off remaining spaces for free expression. Human rights defenders fear that if implemented, the measure could deter Zimbabweans from using social media to share information, effectively silencing voices that hold government accountable. The development comes amid heightened scrutiny of governance and transparency in the country, with many calling the latest threats a step towards further repression.